say hello to my little friend.
Welcome woodpeckers, Martin here, and we are helping out my little girl today. She's 6 years old now and she took over my office and I don't know how it happened. She's been sleeping on the floor. I need to make her a little bed which is gonna double up as a girl cave so she can have sleepovers and play with and all that, you know, girly stuff. I don't know anything about it. I'm just gonna put some nails together with some wood and then we'll see what happens.
This project started off with me and Hedda looking at different twin over twin bunk beds on Pinterest. Then we agreed that I had to make her one. I start off this project by measuring height, width and length so I can calculate how much wood is needed. I managed to keep the wood cost at around $160. Early on I paint the panels where the ends will meet, because this wood will shrink and having a dark back color is much cooler than a white one. An old bed frame from the cabin, so I thought it best to repurpose this one. This is a mixture of vinegar and rusty nails. It gives the wood a greyish look. A very cheap stainer.
Peekaboo!
I made a bed frame that is 200 by 90 centimeters. Hedda's current mattress is a bit smaller, so I made these boxes to fill out the gap. This way we can upgrade to a bigger mattress later with no problem. And meanwhile all her teddy bears can sleep on the boxes.
Alright, do you think I'll get some daddy points now? I don't know, but this rope will probably give me one. This thing here made some mistakes and I fixed them up again, so yeah, at the end I'm pretty happy about this, and I think it will be a good sleepover setup. Well, this project is finally complete and I think it turned out quite well. Now, what do you think, guys? Let me hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.